Hello everyone, my name is Roman Kornev and I'm a partner at AMarkets. You are on the channel about professional trading on the stock exchange in the MetaTrader platform. It doesn't matter if you are just starting to study the financial market or you are already an experienced trader. Every new day dedicated to financial market analytics increases the profitability of your trading strategy. So subscribe to the channel, follow the link in the description, subscribe to my channel. I've been doing analytics every Sunday for 5 years now just for you. Right now, we're going to discuss who will win the battle of the euro or the dollar this week. We will discuss what reasons could cause the euro to fall and the dollar to rise. We will also discuss which currency pair is the best to trade with my trading robot. We'll discuss economic news. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look at the silver chart first. This is the silver dollar currency pair, and right now it's in a triangle. It's a technical pattern, a technical analysis pattern that tells us that we can trade within this pattern and find profitable trades when the price touches this or that level. Look, if the price goes up and touches the resistance line, from here we can sell and capitalize on the short-term decline because the price will bounce off this resistance line. And if the price goes down, there will be a support line waiting for it, and the price can rebound upwards. So you can buy here and make money on the growth. To make money on these short-term movements, you need to have a brokerage account. So follow the link in the description, choose a broker and open a brokerage account for trading on the exchange. Also, if you are just starting to learn the financial market, be sure to take my basic course on trading for beginners from scratch. You can take it for free. So take advantage of this opportunity. Message me on Telegram and I'll tell you how to do it. But now let's see. Silver is trading against the dollar and the dollar will have some interesting news this week. Let's take a look at some news on the dollar and also the euro and look at the charts of these currencies. Look, on Tuesday, May 13th, there will be news about the consumer price index in America, and the previous value was minus 0.1% and about 0.3%. That's good news for the dollar, and that means the dollar will be on the news. If the news is confirmed, or will be even better than predicted, most likely will grow in the moment by several tens or even hundreds of points. Therefore, it is better not to miss such news. And in order not to miss it, subscribe to my Telegram channel by the link in the description. 30 minutes before the news release, I select important news and warn you with my review. It is in the Telegram channel. Now let's see what news will be on the euro, also in the economic calendar. On Friday, May 16, we will have news on the euro. It's the trade balance, and the previous value was 24, and the forecast is 17. That's bad news for the euro. And at the moment of this news release, if the data is confirmed and turns out to be worse than predicted, the euro most likely can fall by several tens or hundreds of points. This means that you can earn several tens or hundreds of dollars in a moment if you trade one standard lot in the MetaTrader platform. To not miss this news, also subscribe to my Telegram channel. And now let's take a look at the euro-dollar charts. What is waiting for us? What are the technical support and resistance levels, which can also contribute to the rise and fall? Well as this kind of news bad on the dollar, good on the euro, generally tipping the scales in the direction of the euro-dollar decline this week. Therefore, I do not recommend to buy this currency pair, but to consider downside strategies. Euro-dollar sales this week. And so this is the chart of the euro-dollar, and in favor of the decline of the euro-dollar also speaks the continuing downtrend. Let's mark it on the chart. This is how we can locally mark it. In general, now this downtrend is more like a sideways trend. I told you last time that this currency pair is best suited for trading with my trading robot Fly Dynamic. So if you are already trading with this robot, consider the buy-sell mode at the same time. Or sell, because I still count on a downtrend, and in the near future the price may reach the support line. This is the meter support line. The quote is 1.11437. If you are trading manually, you can buy from here and make money on the upside. If you are trading with a robot, this could be some local point where you can lock in profits and stop the robot. My robot is fully controllable, monitored, works in multiple modes at the same time, so you can control it. You can also customize the return and the risk. That allows you not to lose money, not to drain your deposit. Unlike other robots that traders write to me all the time, I have drained some robots' deposit, and here help. My robot is immediately set up so, because I wrote it for myself, so that he did not drain the deposit. This setting is there. Have a risk limit, so use it. If you have not yet tried my trading robot, write to me at the link in the description in Telegram. I will tell you how to get it for free. So what about the euro? We're in a downtrend, right? But as soon as the price reaches the mirror support line, I expect growth. That's my prediction. Let's look now at the other currency pairs. The British pound to the Japanese yen is moving in an uptrend, and it's about to go up here. I've been talking about this resistance line for a long time too, by the way. But a lot of people have forgotten, I guess. I remind you, as soon as we come to this resistance line, we can sell from here and make money on the decline. And this is on the D1 chart. Look, you can see it, so you can take more profit here. I think there will be a good movement. I expect this reversal myself. This is my reversal point. So you can sell from here, make money on the decline. Let's look at some more currency pairs. What we have the British pound to the Swiss franc. This is a short trade here. See here, actually on the H1 or even on the M30 time frame will be all of this. Now the resistance line has been broken and the price is going back up. As soon as it reaches it, I expect a short-term rise from here. This will be the mirror support line, quote 1.10.400 and 2009. So it will be possible to capitalize on growth here. Let's take a look at gold. Gold is also in such an interesting triangle. Speaking of which, it is interesting. Who did not watch me? I showed. Let me show you again. An interesting movement. There was a sharp decline here, and then there was a growth like this. I predicted the second downward correction, which happened. This is such a wave ABC, according to Elliott waves. Now a triangle has started to form. It is quite possible that the further upward movement will continue, but so far the price is walking in such a triangle. That's why it looks a little bit like silver. Let's look at H1. If the price goes down, here we can buy from the support level, from the lower line of this triangle. Well, if the price goes up, you can sell from it and make money on the decline when the price reaches the reversal point near the resistance line. Based on my analytics, you can do it yourself on other currency pairs, find reversal points and profitable trades. If you don't want to do it yourself and want to save time, you can subscribe to my VIP channel. There I do analysis, make selected signals. They may be infrequent, but they are mostly profitable. That is, I have more than 90% passability of signals there. So I recommend you to use it. Write to me on the link in Telegram in the description of the video. I will tell you how to subscribe to the VIP channel. This is the end of my analytical issue. I wish everyone a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Bye, everyone.